Hi folks, Modelling Mark here again. Really quick video this time. I'm going to machine the box bed and there's really not much to this. As you can see, it's clamped to the milling table. I'm just using the dial indicator to make sure that those two top pads are running square and true. Now I need them to be running true to the x-axis, so I can drill the holes for the frame, knowing that the frame is going to line up nicely with the mounting pads. I'm just using a wiggler so I can pick up one of the corners, and then I'll be able to use the DRO to locate the positions of the two holes. That's given me the 0 reference of the front left corner. Now just try the frame in place just to make sure everything looks sensible. Make sure I really do want to line it up on that front left corner. Now I'll centre drill the first hole. Now I'll just have a quick check to make sure that it does actually look right and that I haven't done anything stupid. Now I can come in with the 5BA clearance hole. Now I can repeat the task for the second mounting bolt. Those two mounting holes were also spot faced on the underside. I didn't video that because you couldn't see what I was doing anyway, because it was buried deep inside the box bed. These pads need to be a flat machined surface, so I'll just skim them with an end mill. Lastly, the two mounting holes need to be drilled. I used a silver steel pin in the drill chuck to line these up. I just did it so they looked central and pleasing to the eye. Then they were spotted and drilled out for a clearance hole. And finally I spot faced them with a 3/16 end mill. Now, it looks like the camera went a bit out of focus there, sorry about that. That completes the machining for the box bed. Unfortunately I forgot to take any video showing the completed box bed on its own out of the mill, but the next video is going to be the assembly and running of the engine, so you'll get to see it then. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks again, see you next time.